Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee at home without a coffee maker. First, boil water to around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, add your preferred amount of coarse ground coffee to a heat-safe mug or container. Pour the hot water over the grounds, ensuring they are fully saturated. Let it steep for about 4 minutes. Then carefully strain or let the ground settle before enjoying your simple, delicious brew. For a cleaner cup, try a DIY pour-over. Take a paper filter, fold it into a cone, and place it in a mug. Add your medium-fine ground coffee, typically 2 tablespoons per 6 ounces of water. Slowly pour hot water over the grounds, starting in the center and moving outwards, allowing it to drip through. This method highlights the coffee's nuanced flavors. If you prefer a more rustic approach, cowboy coffee is incredibly simple. Combine coarse coffee grounds and cold water in a pot. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat and allow the grounds to settle for 5 minutes before carefully pouring your robust coffee. Finally, for a smooth, low-acid option, try cold brew. Combine 1 part coarse coffee grounds with 4 parts cold water in a jar or container. Steep this mixture in the refrigerator for 12 to 18 hours. Strain the concentrate, dilute to your taste, and enjoy. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.